What's up, guys? Devin with Your Hobby Passion back today doing another video, and we are back with Wheeling Wednesday. This is event number 10, and we're doing Upper Falls and Provo Canyon. Let's get to it.
Everybody pull out at once. So steep. It's so... Thank you.
Want me to try it?
Do what? Sure. Too weird.
Well, I didn't film very much for Wheeling Wednesday event number 10, Upper Falls. So we're gonna show you a little bit of working on the RYFT. The RYFT's broken, second gear keeps slipping out. But let's also show you something I did to my controller. Big upgrade modification. I was able to fit a lipo in there, a little like SCX24 lipo in it, so I don't have to change my AA batteries all the time. That battery gave me much better battery life. So yeah, let's jump into tearing this car apart and fixing it. And if you want to see how to do this, I will make a video on that. Just let me know. Alright, update on fixing the RYFT. So I put, let me see if I can get this a little closer. I put a bunch of spacers, washers, top and bottom, to get the shifter to shift smoother. It sounds like it's shifting and staying in gear and shifting to both end points really good, so it stays in point. Where is it? Right here. So, you know, that's my trailing arm. It's super bent. This one I never reinforced. I ripped the other one out, so I was like, oh, I'll just wait till this one rips out, and I've never ripped it out. So now I got the reinforcement arm that I bought forever ago as a backup when I had to replace this one, and you know, should be fine. It should go and perform good. This was bent in two different directions, so hopefully maybe that's what's causing me to break my drive shafts all the time. So yeah, and then I got the servo horn, all the threads cleaned up really good, so it's good to put a new servo horn on it, because this one's completely smooth on the inside. And then this car should be fixed for some sand drags. Well, I got the car all fixed. Pretty sure I fixed 2-speed. I found out one of the hubs was broken, so I fixed that. Changed the servo horn, got it all aligned and good. Changed out this link. So this car really needed some help. After this sand drags, it's in like a week, I will be taking the whole car apart, greasing the transmission, greasing all the axles, and giving her much love that she needs. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.